Lil J.
I said my woman been in that for fun. I said my labyrinth.
Hi family, Malida here. If you're new, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I achieve this beautiful soft glam using the JUVIA'S WAHALA palette. Yes, this palette is beautiful. Let me tell you, look at all this color in here. All right, so if you want to know how I achieve this look, then definitely keep on watching. Hey guys, so I did my brows already. I do have a detailed eyebrow routine. If you want to see it, I will leave the link right up here. And I'm gonna be going in for my crease, my lid, with my Elegant Pro Concealer and the Sephora Bright Future Gel. I mix these two together to put on my lid.
She said she independent, tell me, but what better woman? The only thing she get it for me that my name I need affection, my baby, nothing particular. When Bucky open kick it, y'all tell me who want be goalkeeper. I be your Johnny, my baby, just be my Lorita. The thing between your leg and your weapon fire, your burrito.
Lil J.
I said my woman been in that for fun. I said my labyrinth.
Okay, now that I got everything tapped in nice and smooth, we're gonna be going in with the JUVIA'S WAHALA palette, because like I said, I was gonna be playing in this. If you haven't seen my first impression and review on this palette, I will leave the link up here or here. Check it out. First color I'm gonna be going in is with the yellow over Wasabi. Okay, and I will just pack it in my crease and kind of take it up closer to my brow bone area.
She said she independent, tell me, but what better woman? The only thing she get it for me that my name I'm on. I need affection, my baby, nothing particular. When Bucky open kick it, y'all tell me who want be goalkeeper. I be your Johnny, my baby, just be my Lorita. The thing between your leg and your weapon fire, your burrito.
I'm gonna go in with this red. It's called Fire. And I'll put that right on top of the yellow, right in my crease here. Be you, and try to add a little bit of depth to the look.
She said she independent, tell me, but what better woman? The only thing she get it for me that my name I'm on. I need affection, my baby, nothing particular. When Bucky open kick it, y'all tell me who want be goalkeeper. I be your Johnny, my baby, just be my Lorita. The thing between your leg and your weapon fire, your burrito.
Make sure everything is properly blended. So I'm gonna go in with my M505 brush and just blend everything out together to make sure it's nice and seamless.
I said my labyrinth, I'm on for fun. I said it, boyfriend and girlfriend, they baby, they new good, they bit that sweet, been enough around, yeah.
To cut my crease, I go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is the white.
Kicking grandma to Omesano, eating her money and buying water like Gucci Sano. She says she independent, tell me, but what better woman? The only thing she get it for me that my name I'm on. I need affection, my baby, nothing particular. When Bucky open kick, you tell me who want be goalkeeper. I be your Johnny, my baby, just be my Lorita. The thing between your leg and your weapon fire, your burrito. I said my woman been enough for fun. I said my labyrinth, I'm on for fun. I said it, boyfriend and girlfriend, they baby, they new good, they bit that sweet, been enough around, yeah. I said my woman been enough for fun. I said my labyrinth, I'm on for fun. I said it, boyfriend and girlfriend, they baby, they new good, they bit that sweet, been enough around, yeah. I bought my country girl from the TV, yeah, they live in Morrow. You hear me? You hear me, yeah? Back to the chamo that kicking grandma to Omesano, eating her money and buying water like Gucci Sano. She says she independent, tell me, but what better woman? The only thing she get it for me that my name I'm on. I need affection, my baby, nothing particular. When Bucky open kick, you tell me who want be goalkeeper. I be your Johnny, my baby, just be my Lorita. The thing between your leg and your weapon fire, your burrito.
Now I'm going to be going in with Stand Up. And I'll just put that right on my lid right there. That is pretty. That is pretty. It's so pigmented. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna go ahead and line it up. I'll be using this Stila liner and this one from CoverGirl. So first I'm gonna use the Stila liner if I have any in it, just to give me a little sense of direction. Is out. So I'm just gonna go in with directly with the CoverGirl. Nowadays, I don't like to bring my liner all the way here. I just like to start from this corner and give it elongated. So I'm gonna put glue on my lashes. I got these lashes from Amazon. These are the best inexpensive lashes I have ever owned. Ever since I started using these lashes, I can't remember the last time I used my Liddy lashes, and I had to stock up on them. So I will definitely leave their link. Go ahead and check it out. So my favorite glue, of course, is the Kiss Lash Glue. This glue does not fail me. My lashes are sitting, getting tacky, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some mascara on my real lashes to give the falsies something to hold on to. These lashes, right? These lashes are $7, $6.99. Beautiful pair of lashes I've ever. I don't even want to get into them, but look at them. Bomb. Get your hands on this, sis. I will leave the link down. Get it in with my black pencil from Sephora. I'm gonna go in with BU on the inner corner. And go in with fire. Now I'm gonna go in with my Mario Bazescu cucumber water. It's actually rose water, and just spray my entire face to make sure all the powder set in and take away that cakey and powdery looking. For my lips, I will be using the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate and the MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. Okay, hold up. If you've been watching up until now and you're not yet subscribed, stop playing with me, okay? I know there's something about me that you like. That's why you're still here. So, subscribe. When you do, hit that notification bell so you will never miss an upload from me again. Okay, now let's do these lips. Okay, you guys, this is the end result. This is the finishing look from using the Wahala palette. Okay, this look also gave me enough reason to love this palette. Like, oh my gosh, I feel like today is even more better because now I'm a lot more settled in. Yesterday, well, the review and first impression, I was so excited for the palette, so I was like hype and stuff like that. But this look is definitely, it's pretty. Let me know what you think about this look. Leave me a comment down below. Like this video. I am like, I love this palette. Like, this look is subtle for those that don't like too much color but still want that glam. You can still get it. I will still keep playing with this palette to see, like, I feel like there's so many looks that can be created with just this palette. This is the only palette I use to create this look. Drama. Okay, listen, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you all in my next video.